Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the beginner electric digital piano. This isn't just any digital piano. It's a portable, folding 88-key electronic piano designed specifically with beginners in mind, but with features that make it versatile for anyone needing a full-size keyboard on the go. One of the first things you notice about this piano is its construction. It's built with an aluminum frame and PC material, which gives it a feeling of durability. The folding design is incredibly clever, allowing a full 88-key layout, the same number of keys you'd find on a traditional acoustic piano, to fold down into a much more manageable size for storage or transport. This is a huge advantage for people with limited space or those who want to take their music with them. Portability is further enhanced by the included handbag. This isn't just a flimsy case. It's designed with both a hand-carrying handle and backpack straps, making it genuinely easy to carry around, whether you're heading to a lesson, a friend's house, or just want to move it from room to room. Now, let's talk about the sound and features. Despite its portable nature, this electronic keyboard doesn't skimp on functionality. It comes with built-in speakers that are described as producing stereo surround sound with deep bass and a warm tone. This means you can play out loud and get a decent sound without needing external amplification, which is perfect for practicing at home. For private practice, there's also a headphone jack, so you can play anytime without disturbing others. Feature-wise, it's packed. It offers 128 different tones, giving you a wide variety of instrument sounds to experiment with, from grand pianos to strings, organs, and more. It also includes 128 rhythms, providing backing tracks in various styles to play along with, which is great for developing timing and musicality. There are 15 built-in performance songs, which can be inspiring to listen to or learn. For beginners, the teaching functions are a major plus. These features are designed to help new players learn songs and techniques more easily. There's also a rhythm programmer and music player functions, allowing for more creative exploration and practice. The programming feature suggests you can create and store your own sequences or settings. Overall, this folding 88-key electronic piano seems like a fantastic option for someone just starting their musical journey. The combination of a full-size keyboard, portability, durable build, and a comprehensive set of features like teaching modes, various sounds, and rhythms all contribute to making it a versatile and accessible instrument. The quality of the built-in speakers providing stereo sound, deep bass, and a warm tone is highlighted as a key benefit to enhance the music played. It really seems designed to provide a solid foundation for learning and playing piano wherever you are.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.